Guys, look at this tilapia.
Wow.
Oh wow. These are the food here in Sangria. We had a tilapia, all kinds of, and the leaves. That's a mustard leaf.
That's a ribeye.
What kind of leaves is that?
It's
That you can eat.
Okay, 4 million viewers. Good evening.
Gumamila.
Yes.
Oh wow, look at that.
It's a giant prawn.
Giant. Oh my lord.
Okay, take mo picture ha.
Oh god.
Food trip.
Stir fry sheep and stir fry with
Oh, kangkong.
Fried kangkong o kangkong di dia?
Adobo.
Adobo.
Sige, kamuray ko ah. Take a picture. Kaya ga-live pang to. Day 2, food trip. Day 1, food trip.